Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I will teach you how to draw a tone painting and how to fill the color in that painting. Let's start. Firstly, we have to draw a design with the help of a zero-size medium brush. Draw a design with complete detail. Draw a line properly, by which design looks amazing. I recommend using poster colors and fabric acrylic color for get a better tonal range. Now, I'll show you how to create different tones. Pick any base color of your choice and keep some white color ready with it. For example, I'm using dark red here. Start by taking a small amount of dark red and mixing in some white. Then, add a little more white and continue mixing. As you keep mixing, these tones will naturally transform into lighter shades. Tonal paintings look beautiful because the variety of shades makes a single color look truly unique. In the same way, we'll mix white with all our colors to create a range of different tones. This technique gives the artwork a very professional and iconic feel. Yes, it requires a bit more effort and might feel a little tedious at first. But once it's finished, the final look is absolutely stunning. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please hit the like button and subscribe for more art tips. I can't wait to see what you create. Thank you for watching this video.